Welcome to HYCM Insight with myself, Giles Cochran. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Seasonax screener function in order to automatically generate a list of some of the most promising investment opportunities. So how does the screener work? Well, the screener works by screening over 25,000 individual stocks, currency pairs, indices, as well as commodities you can just quickly identify in a few clicks. So let's look at US indices. Let's look at the Dow Jones. And let's look at a start date. We'll start 9th of March over 15 years. We'll look at the sort of 31 to 60 day holding period. And let's sort of say we only want trades that have a sort of an 80% winning percentage. And there we can see a selection of different stocks in the Dow Jones. Now, Apple, you can see, has 12 gains out of the last 15 years. And the maximum gains have been quite impressive, 59 plus percent. And the maximum loss has been a relatively mild, minus 7.23%. And actually, the annualized return has been very impressive at 110%. So remember that Apple has had some very strong seasonal patterns between 9th of March and 5th of May. And remember, HYCM clients can access this Seasonax screener in order to analyze over 25,000 different currency pairs, indices, and commodities, as well as individual stocks. So please do contact your account manager for a free trial so you can get started right away. Major trade risks: any worsening of the very sad geopolitical risk situation between Russia and Ukraine would invalidate this outlook.